Hello everyone! In this training video, I will explain the basics of using ITrack Pro's parts management screen and how to use it to quickly create a new record for a part. To create a new part record using the system, first select the parts management screen. The first selection you'll have to make is whether the part you are creating is standard, miscellaneous, or replenishable. Select standard if the part is from a vehicle in your yard. Select miscellaneous for all salvage parts not associated with a vehicle record. Select replenishable for aftermarket parts or parts whose quantity can easily be restocked through future purchase orders. All fields that are bolded with an asterisk are required to enter the part. All other fields and dropdowns are optional. To continue creating a record for your part, move your mouse to the Part Type dropdown box. Select the type of part you are entering, such as engine, transmission, hood, etc. You'll notice the series number of the part will automatically change depending on the part type you selected, so you can search by part type if you want. You can then enter the manufacturer, model, and category of a part. The category field can be used to add a common descriptor to identify specific types of parts in the future, such as a part's condition or whether or not it has been recently inspected. It's important to use standardized descriptors here so you can locate all parts within a category easily later on. In the bottom left corner, you can enter the retail price of a part. Keep in mind this price will show up on heavytruckparts.net, recyclers.net, or cyclerecyclers.net automatically. Enter a wholesale price to record the lowest possible amount you would ever want to sell a part for. In the next field, you can enter location of the part, that is, where it is kept in the yard or facility, such as East Lot, Row 2, Building 3. The status dropdown is used to record changes to an item such as A for available, C for crushed, D for deleted, H for on hold, or S for sold. You can also record a serial number for the item if one exists in this field. The next fields are those dynamically generated, depending on what part type you select. As I change the part type in the part type dropdown, notice that these fields change. Each of these dynamic fields is used to record miscellaneous information about the part to help your customers. In the case of this engine, you can enter the horsepower and the number of liters it has. You'll notice that some of these fields may disappear completely depending on the part type you select. If you'd like to know how to search for a part using these dynamic fields for each part type, we cover that in more depth using the search screen tutorial video. You can also enter the quantity of the parts below. You can set the available quantity as well as the minimum and maximum quantities. For standard and miscellaneous parts, this will usually be 1. However, with replenishable parts, you want to make sure this number is accurate. When any part is sold on an invoice, the system is smart enough to reduce the quantity. When a quantity reaches 0, its status changes to sold unless it's a replenishable part. The implications of these features are discussed further in the sales screen tutorial video. You can enter the condition to indicate what shape the part is in. Additionally, you can enter a brief description here to include any other information a customer may require about the part. The description field is important because anything entered in it is visible on customer invoices and online. You can learn more about the description field's role in system invoices by watching the sales screen tutorial video. You can enter any information you wish to only show up on the parts screen in the internal notes field. If the part is located on a vehicle, you can enter in the vehicle's information in these fields at the top for easy tracking. Finally, to print a tag for this part, you click the Print Tag button found here. If you have a whole vehicle's worth of parts you'd like to enter, you can print all of the tags in bulk from the search screen. Tags can be used in conjunction with our handheld scanning device to retrieve the part record on the physical part. By clicking Save and Close, we now commit this part to the parts database. We have now entered a new part and saved it so a customer can purchase it later. This concludes our training on the basics of the parts management screen. Thanks for watching.